YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. If you like this video today, hit the like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit the bell, follow the journey of the channel. Also in the description below we have a link to Robinhood. Hit that link and get yourself a free stock. Now today's video is going to be going over some crypto gains, Ethereum, Litecoin, BitcoinCash, BSV, and a couple others, and then I'll have a couple of stock picks for you guys as well. So we're going to jump it off now with the first stock pick being SBE. This is Switchback Energy. It's a SPAC merger company, blank check company, and it's going to merge with Arrival, which is a bus EV maker. They make like city buses and things of that nature. They'll probably expand, hopefully, into making school buses, Greyhound buses, RVs, other type of multi-passenger vehicles, to expand revenue. But that's just speculation. But as of now, we know that they are an EV maker for buses, large buses. So that's pretty cool. Next here, we have ticker WIZ. This is a AI Bull Rider ETF. So it's basically going to track the top AI companies that are in a bullish state. So definitely a great play. AI is a big trend. It's steady growing, steady rising. It's going to continue to do so. This is going to be a first time for me to swing trade in this one. I may come out later on with another video with a full bullish thesis and analysis on this company. But in this video, I'm just going to kind of keep it short and sweet. Next, we have MARA, and this is a Marathon Patenting Group. And believe it or not, this is a play into crypto, Bitcoin. Do your research and due diligence and see what I'm talking about. This thing has already doubled up since the first time I saw it, and it's going to double up again. So I went ahead and added to the watch list this go around, as it was very speculative, But looking at the charts and the fundamentals, I see this thing doubling up at least, by the end of 2021. So yeah, now I'm gonna get into it, try to build a position, and just like the last pick, I'll go over more depth and make a full video, on this stock in particular. Then we got EWZ. This is something I've been swing trading all month. Something I hold long term. This is iShares Brazil fund. Love iShares. I love funds. They give you great diversification, low volatility, and low fluctuation. This is going to give you exposure to a international market outside of the U.S. It's always great to really diversify and to expand outside of the U.S., like with China, Japan, Brazil, Europe, Canada. There's a whole bunch of different countries that actually have, good stocks. And sometimes it's hard to pick a particular stock out of another country, especially if you're not, well diversed and understanding into that particular company. I mean, you have your Neos and your Alibabas and your Jamiyas and things of that nature. But outside of those, blue chips, you're really not probably going to be too well educated, to go ahead and make a 10% of your portfolio position into one of these international stocks. So I like to do the funds and ETFs. It gives me a wide variety of those companies over there. Some of them I will know that are well known, and some I've probably never heard of. But I'll look at their top shareholdings, and then kind of filter out the ones that I need to look at that I don't know anything about. And if they have potential, I may take a single play into that company, on the side outside of the ETF. Then we got CLOU. This is Global X Fund. This is cloud computing. Very massive market space for cloud computing. It's been running up crazy. This is something I already own long term, and it's something I'm adding back to the watch list to continue to swing trade to try to build my position. Global X has some nice funds as well. Great management and cloud computing. I mean, you can't beat it. Now we got the Robinhood portfolio currently sitting at $5,662 $1.41. It's up a total of $1,817.53. Total percentage gain of 47.27%. We have Ethereum here in the Robinhood. It's 29% of a coin. Average cost is $355.05. This is an initial investment of $103. That $103 is now worth $384.06. So it's up very well. This is 6.95% of my entire portfolio here on Robinhood. Today's gains are $41.15, up a nice 12% in one day. Total return is $281.02, up a whopping 272.73%. Ethereum is on a run. I see this coin eventually getting to 20 grand, so that's my bullish thesis on Ethereum. Then we have BitcoinCash. A lot of people sleep on BitcoinCash. I do hold, about 9% of one coin. Average cost is $232.38. This was an initial investment of $19, just a small position. That $19 is now worth $47.81. This is only 0.86% of my portfolio. It is up $12.94 today, up a nice 37.11% in one day. Nice run up. Total gain is $28.62, up 149.16%. BitcoinCash is doing very well as well. Then we got Litecoin. I have 1.88 coins. Average cost of $51.24. This here was an initial investment of $97. That $97 has now turned into $342.59. This is 6.2% of my portfolio. It's up today $31.10. Total gain of 9.98%. My total return is $245.93, up 254.43%. So Litecoin is doing awesome right now. Then we got EthereumClassic. I have 9.83 coins. Average cost of $5.82. This is an initial investment of about $47. It is now worth $84.92. This is 1.54% of my portfolio. It's up today $17.88, up a very cool 26.67%. Total return is $27.67. It is up 48.33%. Then for the last one here, we have Bitcoin SV. This is up. This is about 31% of a coin. It is up. It is an average cost basis of $192.28. This is an initial investment of $62 that has now turned into $93.24. It is 1.69% of my portfolio. Today's gains were $35.42. It is up an astounding 61.27%. I've been in the red on this play for months, and I'm just holding steady, dollar cost averaging my way down, about every 3 months. I'll put about, about $13 to $20 or so into this position. My total returns thus far is now $31.97 after being in the red for so long. I'm up almost $32, up 52.18%, basically off of the past 24 hours. That'll conclude today's video. Once again, like the video if you like this content, sub, hit the bell. I do have 12 brokerages that I display on this channel. I have over 25 total brokerages, but 12 of them are just for house money investing only. So I do show all 12 of those brokerages here on the channel. I show all my buys, my sells, my trades, my gains, my losses. I'm in over 500 positions. I have 500 more on my watch list, so I have plenty of stocks to buy. I analyze stocks 7 days a week, so I'm constantly coming up, providing you guys with nice stock picks, anywhere from your Teslas down to, your EWZs, anything in between. I'm going to give you the blue chips, the main stocks everybody's talking about, the new IPOs, the SPACs, everything under the sun. Plus, I'm going to give you those unique picks that are going to double and triple your money that nobody else is looking at, or maybe very few people are noticing. Once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.